Delaware County, Eastern Union County, Ohio, until 6:30 p.m. At 5:50 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near New California, vicinity at 30 miles an hour, partly cloud hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated may produce damage impacts. Expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Douglas, Westerville, Delaware, Powell, Sunbury, Ashley, New California, Polaris, Radnor, Shawnee Hills, Galena, Ostrackers, Alum Creek State Park, Delaware State Park, Olive Green, U.S. Route 33 and U.S. Route 42, Warrensburg, Center Village, Kilbourne, and Columbus Zoo. This includes I-71 in Ohio between mile markers 122 and 138, northwest 25 to 10 miles an hour. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Marion County, northeastern Wyandotte County, Morrow County, Crawford County until 6:45 p.m. At 5:50 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from near Lark to near Delaware, moving northeast at 60 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles if possible. Expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Marion, Cyrus, Mount Gilead, Galligan, Crestline, Cardington, Ashley, Prospect, New Washington, Waldo, Chatsfield, Benton, Nevada, Caledonia, Edison, Tyrell, Fulton, North Robinson, Osceola, and Sulphur Springs.